America, God bless you. I love you. See you at Sound of Revival 2026, Atlanta, Georgia. God bless you.
Somebody get something in your hand. You have not closed Sound of Revival until you finish with a dance. Get something in your hands. This is how we do it. You may wave the flag of your nation. Come on, wave it, wave it, wave it, wave it, wave it. Yakare, 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 Yesu yeche yakare, yakare, yakare. Where are my hallelujah challenge people? Demonstration. Somebody shout hallelujah. Yakare. Slow motion. Somebody shout hallelujah. I serve a God who is powerful. The most your hand. I serve a God who is mighty. This God is a good God. You can call him a miracle. I serve a God who is powerful. God who is mighty. This God is a good God. You can call him a miracle. I serve a God who is powerful. Serve a God who is mighty. This God is a good God. You can call him a miracle. I am dancing around. As you turn, as you dance, he's turning. Somebody shout hallelujah. I am dancing around. I am turning around. To my Father and my lover, I am dancing around. As I dance, every other thing is. I am dancing around. I am turning around. To my Father and my lover, I am dancing around. As I dance, I am dancing around. I am turning around. To my Father and my lover, I am dancing around. As I dance, every other thing is. Ogi Magunga. Lagos, Nigeria. Where are my Niger Delta people? Abo. You have to shake your head. Who is greater than Jehovah, Lord divine? Oh, there is no one greater than Jehovah, Lord divine. Okimakunga. Who is greater than Jehovah, Lord divine? Oh,
There is no one greater than Jehovah, Lord divine.
excellent Jehovah, marvelous Jehovah,
There is no one greater than Jehovah, Lord divine.
excellent.
Excellent Jehovah, marvelous Jehovah. There is no one greater than Jehovah, Lord divine.
Are you ready? Tobechuku, New York. Tobechuku, hey, Tobechuku, he has done. You better prophesy to somebody. Say, Tobechuku, America. Tobechuku, hey. Let me tell you. Even before you pray, Jehovah Nissi answered you. Tobechuku, he has done. He has taken away your pain and given you peace of mind. Oh, see the way he's answered you. Tobechuku, hey. Come and join me, worship. Hey. Tobechuku, he has done it for me. While you were worried and could not sleep, he was walking behind the scene. Oh, Tobechuku, he has done it for me. No, let me try this time. While you were worried and could not pray, he was walking behind the scene. Oh, hey.
He has done it for me.
He has taken away the pain and given you joy and victory.
He has done it for me.
See the way he has carried us.
He has done it for me.
Come and join me, worship.
He has done it for me.
Jesus, yeah. Jesus, yeah. I said, Jesus, yeah. You don't understand. This is the way we sing it in Nigeria. You have to put your hand on your head. Hey, 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 hey. This is somebody's song as they walk out of here. How will you shout when the email drops? In America, when something blows your mind, you say, wow. Say, wow. This is how we say it from Nigeria. Yay! Hey! Somebody's about to get a hair miracle. So find a neighbor, tell them, get ready, get ready. Say, I'm about to sing a song because of what the Lord has done. And the song is a simple song. And it says, Jesus, yeah, you have done it again. Jesus, yeah, in your steps, hey, what was impossible, you made possible. Jesus, yeah, Jesus, yeah, Jesus, yeah, you have done it again. Jesus, yeah, in your special way, what was impossible. Baba, you have to put that, Baba. Now, where are the people there? Can you sing with me? Jesus, yeah, Jesus, yeah, you have done it again. Jesus, yeah, in your special way, what was impossible, you made possible. Jesus, yeah. Now, let's sing the verse. Hey, say, I almost gave up when it seemed it was impossible, when the odds were up against me and there was no way. Hey, I cried out to you and you spoke into the dry bones. What was impossible, Baba, you made possible. Jesus, yeah, Jesus, yeah, Jesus, yeah, you have done it again. Jesus, yeah, I like your smile. I like your smile. I like your smile. Come, come, come. Jesus, are you ready? Jesus is sweet, though. Hey, look at my generation loving Jesus. Hey, 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 hey. Jesus, yeah, Jesus, yeah. Baba, you have to put that Baba. For the last time, hey, Jesus, yeah, Jesus, yeah, you have done it again. Jesus, yeah, in your special way. Hey, what was impossible, Baba, you made possible. Jesus, yeah, what my mother could not do, what was impossible. time is up. We'll see you again. Just one for the road. Go. Where are my people? Oh, hallelujah. 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 It's the sound of victory. Hey, hallelujah.
Let the sound of rejoicing fill this house.
Say hallelujah. 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 It's the sound of victory. Hallelujah. Let the sound. Let the sound. Feel in your gut.
Let the sound
Of restoration.
Let the sound
Of revival.
Let the sound
Of your next level.
Let the sound
Of your season.
Let